Want to know how our students are finding a good company to invest in 1 hour or less? There are two things, but before we go there, if you are not interested in trading or don't want insider insights to grow your investments, you can skip this video now. And don't worry, I wouldn't mind. Still here? Awesome! My name is Dr. Clemen Chiang, and for the past 20 years, I worked with over 50,000 students from all around the globe to help them, everyday investors, make the most amount of money in the shortest possible time. How? Two things. Number one, our indicators catch the spikes in the market before they happen. The truth is, fundamental analysis alone won't catch the spikes before they happen. Getting alerts from the news won't catch the spikes before they happen. Technical analysis alone won't catch the spikes before they happen. Heck, even combining all those trees wouldn't help either. Sure, they might help in connecting the dots, but those are not enough to make a sound and profitable decision. Over here at Spiking, we found what I think is the missing piece to predict the rise of the stock market, and that's what we call the insider trading analysis. Basically, before we connect the dots through fundamental analysis, technical analysis, or the alerts news, we want to know first where are the best of the best wealth fund managers invest their money. We call them the insiders. The Warren Buffett, the George Soros, the Temasek as a sovereign wealth fund, the James Simmons, the Lee Ka-shing. We want to know where they invest. When you know where these insiders are putting their money, and then you connect the dots with their analysis, things will now make sense. And you will now be able to make a more informed decision where to trade and when to trade. I mean, how can these people consistently rank on the top all the time, every single year? They must have the know-how, right? This is how our students get 10%, 30%, 50%, 100% return on their investment in one day. You can learn more about insider trading in my upcoming live webinar, and I'll do this coming week. Just click on the link in this video to find out more about the details. There's no charge for it. All you have to do is register so we can notify you when the live webinar will take place. Anyway, back to the topic. The second main reason why we can make the most amount of money in the shortest amount of time is speed. I could write a book about speed, but here's what I want you to know. When it comes to insider trading, we want to get the most valuable information from the insiders at real time. Whether they buy a new stock or dump a stock or increase their purchase or even decrease their transaction, every single activity, we want to get it into our radar right now. And for you, we've figured out a way on how you can get access to that too, using what we call spiking. With spiking, you can track legally 100% legit all the movements of these insiders in real time. This is why most of our students are able to eliminate 5, 10, 20 hours of analysis and just do it in 1 hour or less if you're experienced enough. Now, I don't know if insider access and spiking is the best wealth creation strategy in the world. What I do know is when we leverage the knowledge of the insiders and add on speed, we can put ourselves in the best position to win, minimize the risk, and maximize the return, even if the goal is to make the most amount of money in the shortest possible time. If you want me to show you more about how we leverage insider trading and spiking to get 10%, 100% return in one day, just click the link in this video and register to our live webinar. I have a lot more exciting information for you so that you don't miss it. Again, click the link in this video, register right now, and I'll see you in the webinar. Goodbye.